Now with a Dremel multi-tool, for example, as you can see, this is a regular Dremel blade, and this is the universal fitting tool blade. And as you can see, they are slightly different. And the Dremel is slightly smaller than the universal fitting. Now with this, when you attach it, you put it in, press the button, let go, it's not going to move. But when you insert a universal fit blade, obviously this is a lower quality blade, but just for demonstration purposes, it doesn't really lock onto it because it is slightly bigger, obviously, for universal fitting to fit most oscillating multi-tools. That's why we have this little attachment right here, which is sold in wonderblade.com. What you would have to do is, in this case, if you want to fit a universal fit blade like this one, you would have to insert the blade right there. At the same time, put this adapter right here, slide it in there, and then let go. And the amazing thing about a Dremel multi-tool is that you can tighten it for making sure this will fit on there.